Hello and welcome back. This is Azharul Rafy once again. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Fiverr affiliate program. So basically, I'm going to give you some insights on the affiliate commission structures on the platform. Then I'm going to share how much I have earned so far from this platform over the years. Then I'm going to share why my earnings started declining over the past few months. And then finally, I'm going to share what are the activities that I'm going to do to increase the payments or increase the earnings again from the platform. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and we're going to learn from there. So here we go. I'm on my computer screen, and as you can see, I'm visiting Fiverr affiliates website or the landing page. And if I scroll a bit down, you're going to find this our partners earn first or the commission plan section. And if you just take a look here, they have changed the plans from the previous one. And now they're going to give us like 25% of the first order of whatever gig you are promoting. It used to be a fixed amount, which was $15 to $150 for each conversions, but now they are going to give us 25% of the first order only, along with a 10% of future orders for the next 12 months. So if some of the buyers starts purchasing every month for next 12 months, we're gonna get 10% out of the spend they're gonna make. And initially you're going to get this 25% of the first order. So same for the pro services, it has increased, or it got the 70% of first order, and then we're going to get 10% from the spends they're going to make on the platform by the next 12 months. So basically how it used to work, for instance, for the pro service, when I used to promote the service, the pro and the business plan, whenever a buyer spends over $100, I used to get $100, and along with that I used to get the 10% commission. But now it has changed to 70%, and this is one of the reasons why my earning has started declining. So here you go. If you want, you can promote their logo maker tool. So for the first order, you are gonna get 30 fixed amount, and after that for the next 12 months, whatever the amount a client will spend, you're gonna get 10% of that amount. So now let me take you to my Fiverr account. So if I click here on dashboard login, and if I click on login, my account details has been provided here. You can see this month so far I have got 4 FTVs. So the amount that I used to earn by 4 FTVs was around 300 and 350 the earlier year, but now it is around 200. So the earning declined. And if I take you to earning reports, you can see that the first earning I have earned in this month was from sub affiliate commission. That means one of you guys who have been following my videos has made $70 and I have earned $7. And here you go, another sub affiliate commission, a small amount, but that's adds up. Another sub affiliate commissions. Then I've got rep share, ongoing net share. So someone spent $20 after the first order. So now I have earned $2. That means the 10% of $20. Okay, then I have got another $2 from the, let's say, revenue share, the 10% one. And after that I have got this one. I have been promoting Fiverr Pro service, and someone spent 500 and sorry, I don't know how much someone has spent, so I have earned here $56. Then for this one I have earned, this one is also the Fiverr Pro, I have earned $10.5. Then here you go, this one is coming from my post on Pinterest that I have shown in one of my videos, that how to promote affiliate products on Pinterest. So this one is coming from that resource because I'm saying that it came from for illustration services, and I've been promoting graphic design illustration services on my Pinterest profiles. All right, so here we go, another FTV. So I have earned 87.5. This one is really good. So I used to get over, for this amount I'd get 100 plus for sure if the payment structure was the previous one. So I'd get more than 100 from this order for sure. All right guys, so now let me, here as of now I have got this balance on my account. So now let me show you how much I have earned so far from this platform by the years. For instance, I'm gonna take you to 2023 first, or 2022 first. So that was the year when I started working on this platform. In 2022 I earned from this platform $2,209, but I would have earned a whole lot of money from that year because I have been making mistakes. I have been promoting the gigs instead of the Fiverr business. So this is why the amount is so low. Otherwise I would have a lots of money over that period. And in 2023 I have earned $6,575 US. So basically when you start earning from one resource, it comes slower, but when you start earning, start spending some time and learn more about the marketplace, you start earning more. So as you can see here, I've been earning $30, I've been earning 19. Then you can see the sub affiliate commission, sub affiliate commission, sub affiliate commission. That means many of you guys have been making money by watching the videos and following the process. So if I click on amount, you can see from one of the service that I have promoted, from one of the clients, I have earned $280. So you can see that there's been lots of hundreds here. So basically when you learn about the marketplace, you start earning more, okay, and learn about the processes. So now if I take you to this year, let's say January 2024, if I take you to January 1st 2024 and till this date, so it's going to be February, today is 14th. So if I take you to 14th and click on run report, so for this year I have earned only 534, but it should have more earned. But unfortunately the payment structure has been changed, and some of the other reasons are, if I take you here we go, I've been earning 100 plus from one client. That's good. So if I take you to my Quora account, which was one of my most profitable resource of traffics and affiliate commissions, it started declining getting traffic. So if I click here on, let's say, my profile, or maybe here your content and starts, and from my profile you can see the last time I made a post about affiliate marketing or promoting any of the links, you can see it was, let me see, it's a long time ago I made a post about promoting a product. So let's see, where is that? I'm sorry, it's been a long time. So if you just take a look here, okay, how much does it cost? So maybe for this one, it was 11 months ago last time I promoted an affiliate product through Quora. And the bad thing is, if you just take a look over the months, last 30 days I had only 3,356 views, where it was much higher. So this was one of the reasons why I started getting low commissions or low number of first-time buyers. All right, so now along with that, I actually had declines from my Pinterest account as well, although I'm making some money from Pinterest traffics, like let's say in a week I get one conversions at least. So this is how it is going. So sometime I am getting like $10 only from that traffic, or sometime I'm getting, let's say, 50 plus. So that sets up. So that's the thing. So now I'm gonna share my strategy and the goals for or the activities that I'm going to take this year to increase the account amount or earning again on the platform. So basically I'm gonna start with my Udemy, sorry, not Udemy, it's going to be the Quora account. So I'm gonna start being active on the platform. I'm gonna answer more questions, and I'm gonna follow exactly the same process that I've been showing you guys throughout the other videos. If you haven't yet watched the videos, or if you're watching this video for the first time from my channel, then I'm gonna add the links of the other videos into the video description so that you can watch. All right, so I'm gonna start with Quora. I'm gonna get active again here on the platform, and after that I'm gonna try using Reddit now. So Reddit is another traffic gold mine, I would say, from where we can get targeted traffic if we can use the platform right way, and you have to be knowledgeable about Reddit to start earning money from the platform. And then I'm planning to create a blog to promote Fiverr affiliate network along with some other affiliate products, which is going to be relevant. So I'm going to start a blog, and basically I'm going to write the blog contents using AI tools. For instance, it could be ChatGPT or Google Birds, which is currently named Gemini. So if I show you something, if it is possible to rank AI written articles, so I'm going to go to Google Birds or the Google Gemini. So it's going to load the page eventually, so I'm gonna go this way. So if I open up Gemini and if I make a comment here, is it possible to rank higher on Google with AI written articles? I'm asking Google's product about this thing just to verify if it is possible to use AI tools to create content and get ranked. It is possible, I know, but let's see what they says. So it's going to generate the results. So it's not a simple yes or no answer. While AI written articles can, so yeah, it can in theory rank well on Google, it's not a guarantee and relies heavily on quality, relevance and adherence to Google's guidelines. Here's a breakdown. AI can help, but it's not magic. AI tools can assist with research, structure, and keyword optimization, feeling you to focus on the depth and uniqueness of your content. However, simply generating content with AI without human oversight. So basically what it is saying is the content written with AI will be able to let's say rank higher on Google, but you have to add some human touch. You have to make it readable, user friendly, and you have to make it quality for the readers. For instance, whenever someone is making a search to get the answers or whatever problem they're suffering and they're getting to your website, they should get the results and with a good way, with good user experience, so you can read the complete details. So basically the answer is yes, we can use AI tools to create content and still rank on Google and earn commissions from the affiliate products or whatever product we're gonna sell. So I'm gonna utilize this platform this year for sure, maybe with ChatGPT, Gemini, and Quillbot and other tools for sure. So this is my plan. I hope you have found some information and insight from this video. Please, if you have got any question regarding this platform, please feel free to let me know by commenting below. And if you love this video, give it a like and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.